Do you want to download stickers for WhatsApp? You can save or add new stickers on WhatsApp with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to download stickers for WhatsApp. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. Downloading stickers for WhatsApp is adding or saving additional stickers to use in your WhatsApp conversations. Stickers are digital images or animations that you can send to each other within chats. To download stickers on WhatsApp, first, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Once you are in WhatsApp, open any individual or group chat. At the bottom of the screen, you will see text input field box. Tap on the emoji or sticker icon in the text input field at the bottom of the screen. You will see various emoji here. Now, tap on the sticker icon at the end of the screen to switch to the sticker panel. These are all the stickers available in your WhatsApp account. To add new stickers, tap on the plus icon on the top right side of the stickers panel. This will open the sticker store. Scroll through the available sticker packs to view all available sticker packs in WhatsApp store. To download a sticker pack, tap this download icon next to the sticker pack you want. The stickers will be downloaded and added to your sticker collection. Repeat the download process for more stickers pack. Once downloaded, you can use the stickers by tapping on the sticker icon in the chat and selecting the desired sticker. By following these simple steps, you can easily download and use a variety of stickers on WhatsApp.